At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an estate sale company involves helping clients sell off personal belongings, typically after a significant life event like a death, downsizing, or relocation. Here's a guide to get you started. 1. Research the market. Understand the estate sale industry in your area. Research competitors, pricing strategies, and local regulations governing estate sales. 2. Legal considerations. Determine the legal structure of your business, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC, and register your company with the appropriate authorities. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required for conducting estate sales in your area. 3. Develop a business plan. Outline your business objectives, target market, services offered, pricing structure, marketing strategies, and financial projections in a comprehensive business plan. This will guide your operations and help attract investors or secure financing if needed. 4. Build your network. Establish relationships with estate attorneys, real estate agents, funeral homes, and other professionals who can refer clients to your estate sale company. Networking is crucial for generating leads and building a reputation in the industry. 5. Acquire necessary skills. Gain knowledge and skills related to estate sales, including inventory management, pricing, marketing, and customer service. Consider attending estate sale management courses or seeking mentorship from experienced professionals. 6. Set up your workspace. Determine whether you'll operate from a physical location or work remotely. Set up a workspace for sorting, staging, and displaying items for sale. Invest in equipment such as tables, racks, signage, and security measures to ensure a smooth operation. 7. Create a marketing plan. Develop a marketing strategy to attract clients and advertise your estate sale services. Utilize online platforms, social media, local newspapers, and community bulletin boards to promote your company and upcoming sales. 8. Establish pricing policies. Determine how you'll price items for sale, whether it's based on market value, appraisals, or negotiation with clients. Be transparent about your pricing policies and ensure consistency across sales. 9. Organize estate sales. Work closely with clients to organize and prepare for estate sales. This includes inventorying items, staging the sales space, and managing logistics such as security, parking, and crowd control. 10. Execute sales professionally. Conduct estate sales professionally, providing exceptional customer service to buyers while maximizing returns for your clients. Ensure transparency, integrity, and sensitivity throughout the process, especially when dealing with emotionally charged situations. 11. Handle post-sale services. Offer post-sale services such as cleanup, donation, or liquidation of unsold items as agreed upon with clients. Maintain communication and follow-up to ensure client satisfaction and build long-term relationships. 12. Evaluate and improve. Continuously evaluate your estate sale operations and seek feedback from clients and customers. Identify areas for improvement and adapt your strategies to better meet the needs of your clients and enhance the success of your business. Starting an estate sale company requires empathy, organization, and business acumen. By following these steps and delivering high-quality services, you can establish a reputable estate sale business and help clients navigate challenging life transitions. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.